First of all, our original award since 2011, the oldest and the most prestigious one, is dedicated to Professor Fray in 3 categories: politics, corporation, and academia. First is Stanley Whittingham, the winner. He doesn't believe it. On stage. So the batteries today, lithium batteries, are changing the world. And the guy, by the way, this is sustainability award, not because he got the Nobel Prize about this, but for his activity after the Nobel Prize award. So this prize is for your activity after the Nobel Prize award, because you got already for previous activity. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Come. So this is the award with a name in it.
Thank you.
Congratulations. And this is the certificate. We'll have a photo for our standard. Let's do it like this. Normally we do it this way. You keep it with this. I keep this, and you. You can say a few words if you want. It's emotional. You can say a few words. They have to play.
Thank you very much. These are exciting times. We see technology going from the bench into actual use. And I've been in this field, I think, for 50 years now. And I'm happy to say lithium-ion batteries are beginning to dominate the storage business. And we're beginning to build lithium batteries on this continent, both north and south. And we have the minerals everywhere. So we just have to do it and stop talking. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Here. So, where we are in lithium batteries in 10 years from now?
It'll be everywhere.
So people that are working in lead battery, they should not hear this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Because our people are dealing with lead batteries here. But there is a competition between lead and lithium. And in competition, how many mines are being created and how it is. But to tell the truth, lithium is, I see the lithium. I'm not supposed to take sides, but I see myself personally, not as on behalf of the organization, that lithium is the future.